Today, we're going to explore how to find balance on those tough days when nothing seems to be going right. We all have those days where we feel emotionally drained or overwhelmed, and it's easy to label them as bad days. But no day is entirely bad. There's usually something good, however small, mixed in too. This meditation will help you train your mind to notice both the good and the bad, helping you see that there are also moments of joy or contentment, and that none of these moments, good or bad, are permanent. And so it begins. Find a comfortable seat, allowing your body to settle into the support beneath you. Let your shoulders relax, your hands rest gently in your lap. Close your eyes or soften your gaze, focusing on a single point in front of you. We'll start by taking 3 mindful breaths. Inhale deeply through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Hold for a moment, then exhale slowly, releasing any tension. Again, inhale calmness and exhale into stillness. One more time. Breathe in deeply and exhale, feeling yourself fully arrive in this moment. Now gently bring to mind something difficult you've experienced today. It could be a specific event, a general feeling, or whatever naturally comes up. As you focus on the feeling of your bad day, pay attention to what that experience is like for you. Notice any physical sensations in your body or thought patterns in your mind, but try not to overanalyze them. Instead, tune in to the overall experience and the emotions that come with it. Ask yourself how it feels to be having a tough time today. And as you become aware of these feelings, begin to offer yourself some compassion. Stay connected to what you're experiencing in your mind and body as you silently offer these phrases. This is a moment of pain. May I tend to this pain with caring awareness. And after offering yourself compassion for a few moments, gently let go of the phrases. Now bring to mind something from your day that brought you a bit of joy or contentment. It could be a moment when you weren't overwhelmed by discomfort or pain. Maybe when you first woke up, had a pleasant conversation, or enjoyed a quiet moment. As this moment comes to mind, connect with how it felt. Recognize that even on a hard day, there was a moment of relief from the pain. Offer yourself the simple phrase, "May I appreciate this moment?" As this moment comes to mind, connect with how it felt. Recognize that even on a hard day, there was a moment of relief from the pain. Offer yourself this simple phrase, "May I appreciate this moment?" Continue to bring to mind other times during your day when you experienced some contentment, however small. As each new moment arises, sit with it for a few deep breaths and repeat the phrase, "May I appreciate this moment?" As you begin to run out of pleasant experiences, look for the neutral moments in your day, the ones that weren't necessarily good or bad. Take a minute to reflect on your entire day. Without denying the difficulties you faced, also recognize that not every moment was unpleasant. Tune into the fact that many moments were either pleasant or neutral. Before we conclude, let's take a moment to reconnect with the body. Feel the solidity of your feet on the ground, the gentle support of the seat beneath you, and the rhythm of your breath. Let your awareness flow through your body, noticing any areas of softness, any spaces where tension has released. Now let's take 3 more mindful breaths together. Inhale deeply, filling yourself with a sense of empowerment. Exhale, letting go of any lingering doubts. Again, now let's take 3 more mindful breaths together. Inhale deeply, filling yourself with a sense of empowerment. Exhale, letting go of any lingering doubts. Again, inhale resilience, and exhale, grounding yourself in this truth. One last time, breathe in your inner strength, and exhale, feeling calm and confident. Remember, you have the power to shift your perspective, even on the toughest days. By bringing awareness to both the challenges and the small moments of joy, you can find a sense of balance and ease. Take care of yourself, and remember, you've got this.